Hello there, and welcome back to another Chainsaw Man chapter reaction, chapter 118. In the last chapter, which I didn't react to, sorry about that, but in the last chapter we saw our main cast come out of the aquarium as Asa, as she turned the aquarium into a weapon, kind of a trident thing, and we got to see the Eternity Devil again in a different form than last time, but I prefer this form. But he was easily dealt with in some nice double spreads, and then we saw some wrap up of the aquarium bit, and then ended up with Denji getting turned into a weapon. But I don't think he'll die from this. So let's get straight into it and see if he's dead or not. Okay, chapter 118. Saying goodbye. That worries me a little bit. But could be to do with anyone, so let's carry on. We see birds. Pylon. As Yoru puts her head on Denji, as if to create the weapon. Then we see Yoru. Denji spinal cord sword? Denji says that, so it clearly didn't work. And Yoru's just like, eh? And they're both like, eh? Denji spinal cord sword. Why not work? They're just standing in the alleyway of her apartment, I think. If they end up having sex, I'm gonna cry. Denji's just looking in space. Denji, spinal cord sword. Ineffective. Denji, spinal cord sword. Denji just looks dead inside. Don't know if this spinal cord sword is having an effect or not. Or is it doing it to Pochito or something? Oh, Denji. Asa's spinal cord sword. Or was like, that's not what I wanted. That's a fun way to say goodbye. See ya. Oh, epic fail. That's the title. That's the meaning of the title. Just that. Saying goodbye. Great. You should never worry with the titles of these things. And Asa's just standing there. Dumbfounded. That was good. Rate Fujimoto for that one. That was funny. And yeah, Asa's looking at Yoru like, what the hell are you trying to do? What? What the heck are you doing? That crap he didn't turn into a weapon. Is it because he's a fiend, devil? Why couldn't I turn him? You did it off so well. Well, maybe that criteria wasn't there. Maybe one of them was faking feelings. It means he doesn't like me that way, right? Not that I care, since I don't like him either. Okay, so it's probably Denji's side. Well, her eyes are quite spaced apart there. Yeah, I don't know. Has he really grown up? Because every time he shows kind of character development, he kind of just goes back on it. Like in the aquarium. He's just kind of followed her around. So I don't know. Are his loyalties still with Makima? Or just no girls now? Not that I care, since I don't like him either. No matter, we discovered that we can also share emotions like affection. You found that out before, right? We'll take our time winning the boy's heart while we search for Chainsaw. I forgot they don't know. Oh, it's so dumb. He's there. Damn. Oh no! Hold on a minute. He transformed. Oh no, they didn't see his face when they were fighting. I forgot her name. Yuko. Didn't see his face. So they're still going to try and win his heart. Fair enough. You barely slept while you were trapped in the aquarium, right? I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Oh. What's the deal with that girl who trapped us in there? Isn't she your big sister? Oh yeah, it's Fammy. That was Famine Devil. I hadn't seen her in so long that I didn't recognise her. She probably took a different form like you did. You look like an owl at the start of this part. What gives? You will take different forms. Family's crazy. Whatever you do, steer clear of her. Even though she's your family? And then plummets on the bed. Does she go straight out like a light? Yori does. It's weird how she can be unconscious but Ata isn't. Ah, hey. Take a bath before bed. Yeah, I do like to shower before bed. Showering in the morning, I don't want to wake up early to have a shower. But she's out like a light. And then Asa sits on the side of the bed, I think. She reminisces, thinking of Denji. In all three of those pictures, he looks stoned. He said those things. But he doesn't like me. Sad. He finds you interesting. He did say that. He finds you quirky. A bit like himself. Now she's lying on the bed. Looking up. Excuse me? Even after all that? He doesn't like me. Yes. You need to do more than just a date. And speaking about aquarium stuff that has no relevance to him. Unbelievable. He's so irritating. I thought I said irrational then, and that would have summed up Denji pretty well there. I hate him. He's my super best ever date plan. Oh, this is him. Here's my super best ever date plan. The local movie theatre. We're going down this route again. The local movie theatre is running an all-night movie marathon tonight. I was just asking him asking her out now. Yeah. We'll watch mummy movies non-stop till 2 a.m. for only 2,000 yen. Awesome, right? Let's do it. Great. I'll make him a cinema escapade again. It costs 2,000 yen. Huh? But you can watch as many mummy movies as you want. Wouldn't video rentals be cheaper? I don't want to go on any pricey dates. See, you're not going to win him over if you're stingy like this. You need to just go with the flow. You tried to buy an aquarium for 1 million yen. What's going on? Hey, look. I mean, sure, that works too. You got a VCR at home? I'm trying to think of what that means. It's like a video thing. No, what about you? I do. Are we going to go see Denji's house with Nayuta, please? Show me a Nayuta. Then let's do it at your place. It's cheaper that way. Huh? You want to come over? No? No? Don't want that, Denji? What? Is that no good? We don't have to have a date then. No way. Oh, he's like stressed on this simple dilemma. Oh, have a date or don't let her come round. You have too many dogs. Oh. Okay, he's sweating. We can watch movies at my place. But on one condition. You have to follow our home rules. Our. She'll question the our. Huh? Rules? Yeah. Ones you can't break no matter what. What happens if you break them? Stuff. You get kicked out. Worst case scenario, you break the rules and you die. This sounds to do with Nate's power. Why does Denji look like that? And Ass is like, huh? And then, oh dear, Isayumi is. Why is Isayumi stalking them? Because he doesn't know Denji's Chainsaw Man, I don't think. So he's not like obsessed with him. He's just being nosy. Worst case scenario, you break the rules and you die. Would Denji get mad and just kill her? Or was there something to do with Kishibe regulating things, or Yoshida? Because Yoshida's on his tail. Possibly. I don't know. Would the dogs kill her? Or has he got some devil contract now? I'm just throwing out ideas. It seems weird. To be continued. Cool. Did he say you die? You die? You probably die. I bet you die, Isayumi. Yes. So yeah, the title was basically for the joke at the start of the thing. It's a very good joke. Good. It's a fun way to say goodbye. As a spinal cord sword. Yeah. These chapters follow a similar kind of flow. There's a lot of dialogue. They're very dialogue heavy now. I think that's just part 2 in general. But I enjoy it. It's more like a comedy thing at the minute. No real high stakes, really. Unless this death thing, going to Denji's house, could kill you. I don't know. Because you have to realise that Ass is the main character rather than Denji. So in a way, this is like Denji being the antagonist for the next part. Which is interesting. I can get behind it. Denji the villain the whole time. Makima was the hero. No. But yeah, why is there so much left? No, it's not. It's because I'm reading it on Viz. There's loads of pages at the end. So yeah, that was the chapter. Nice chapter. Made me laugh, actually. So I'm glad. I always forget that chapters release on Tuesdays. Half an hour ago, I was just like, I'll record the video. But yeah, good chapter. So yeah, let me know what you thought of the chapter down below, if you've already read it. It only came out a few minutes ago. And I'm just about to upload this video, so let me know. Give the video a like, dislike, up to you. Really, it doesn't matter to me. So we will. But yeah, I hope you have a good day, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.